Continue. Couple things. First of all, Apple, you can see on our recording, it's brought to our attention by Ed in the room that Apple was on their lows and it was down almost 3%, started coming back, but Apple and Microsoft were both weak out of the gate. Both stocks combined to about 20% of the NASDAQ. So when they move and they're weak, NASDAQ's weak, you trade the ES, it's going to be weak. And so the weakness started to bottom out a little bit when Apple and Microsoft started to pull up. But what do we want to see with our order flow and our OPP and other people's positions? We want to see these shorts late and come in, but we want to see longs go away. We don't want to see other bottom feeders. And if I back this up, you see they creep in and then boom, they pretty much go blank. And that was the win moment for some upside. The problem was there was some resistance that wasn't going to let it get away and go up too much. And then some longs jumped in here, put an end to this pop. And it wasn't as much as we would have liked. So then we come down, you see longs coming in, you see my arrow point to it, see shorts coming in. And I said, and this is a very, it's a teachable moment, because I was bullish, but I didn't get long this time. And I even said, this could be a win moment to get in. I'm not going to do it. And I'm not going to be mad if I'm not on the team when it rallies. And it did. And I wasn't mad, because if you're mad, then you end up doing something dumb and you force the next trade. So you'll be willing to miss trades. And I just didn't like this long up bar and down bar for it to bounce. But you got shorts that came in order to call the pop. All right. And then where do we go? To those 92 halves. Shorts came in, longs come in. And as soon as this short comes in, eventually pushes us up to 94 quarter. You also see the NASDAQ run up high. So run up a lot. Again, the overlap is always about other people's positions, is a skill set. Ancillary markets could be Apple's on days like today, or Microsoft, the NQ, whatever. But it's that overlap of trying to find and fight for location. A lot of people don't get to this point in their trading career, and then they wonder why they could be right and lose money, and when they're wrong, they get killed. If you're picking good locations, you could be wrong in direction and make money. You don't always have to get your face ripped off every time you're wrong. Remember that.